Hello, we are Team 22578, a multidisciplinary senior design team in the Kate Gleason College of Engineering. Our project is sponsored by RIT and the Buffalo Astronomical Association. We have worked with our guide and the Buffalo Astronomical Association to create a small-scale radio astronomy setup. We sought to create a radio astronomy antenna and data recorder which has a small footprint, uses minimal power, and maximizes accuracy in its data range. Our vision for the project aligned well with our clients' needs and limitations. Since our system will be installed on the Buffalo Audubon Society's property, they were also interested in a quiet, unobtrusive, and low-maintenance system for radio astronomy observation. So a pillar of our work has been making use of creative and cost-effective solutions. We have adapted a standard satellite TV dish to be our signal reflector. The part of the system that collects the radio waves and converts it to a digital signal, the antenna, is made from a metal coffee can. This prototype uses a motorized telescope mount adapted to fit our needs. By using this mount, we have been able to link its movement to a computer in order to track stars, galaxies, and other celestial objects. Using an onboard Raspberry Pi microcomputer, we have had success in collecting and storing the signal data that our antenna picks up at the desired frequencies. The solution that we have been working to build is able to move into position to point at a celestial object and, using the onboard computer, collect radio astronomy signal data to allow the user to study cosmic events. The signal data passes through a filter centered on a wavelength which is perfect for this field of study. With many different ways to collect radio signals, one of the biggest struggles for our team was designing an antenna that was optimal for our system. Our team performed calculations, simulations, and did field testing to determine which antenna setup would be the best. Our team wants to thank the Buffalo Astronomical Association for its help in funding the project and their kind donation of the Meade telescope mount. Moreover, this project would not be possible without our guide, Marty. Marty has been an incredible resource for all things radio astronomy throughout this project. Marty has shared his wealth of knowledge with us for the past 12 months, and for that we are immensely grateful. Thank you, Marty.